Hello everyone, I am so excited to be back. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of a beautiful Louis Vuitton purse, so let's jump into it. I'm just going to open it up. This is a really unique bag that I got and I am thrilled to be showing it to you guys today. So it comes in this stunning pouch and this is what I got. So this is a bum bag and it is essentially like a fanny pack, but a lot of people wear it like crossbody. And I gravitated towards this bag so much because it's hands-free. So I also wanted to show you one additional thing that I got sent and I'm so grateful for. So this is just like the cherry on top and I highly recommend getting one of these as well. I am going to put this on the bum bag. This is a little LV chain. So, this has to be one of my like top 5 favorites. So pretty much how you do this is you put one end of the chain on a zipper and then the other end here. So like the bottom of the bag, you're gonna attach it here. Just like that. And then look at this. Like, are we serious? How cute is that? Like, I guess you can move the zipper like so it lays how you want it to be, but so freaking cute. I'll probably move the zipper over a little bit. Adorable. Okay, so now that I've calmed down a little bit, I want to say that you can get 15% off with code Angela15. So use my code and check out the description below. They have this bag and every bag imaginable, every brand as well. So not just Louis Vuitton, they have everything and they are just the best. Like the quality is top notch. It's real leather, just stunning. So yeah, use my code Angela15 for 15% off. But I'm absolutely in love with this bum bag. It's, like I said, very unique. Usually I get purses, but I really like how you can put the purse or the bum bag together right here. And then I will show you some B-roll, but you're gonna put it over your shoulder. And that's how a lot of people wear it, like this. So going to cut to some clips of me wearing it, but how cute is this? I actually really needed this bag because my life has changed drastically and I'm a mom now. So I quickly realized you really need to be hands-free when you're chasing a little toddler around. So this has been a game changer. And what's really cool is you can actually wear it in the front or you can move it to the back, kind of like a little sling backpack. Or you could wear it probably just as a regular fanny pack, but it's really been trendy wearing the bum bag across like this, like crossbody. And when I saw this chain, I just knew I needed it. I thought it was such a fun little touch. Just gorgeous. Like, oh, I love it. So let me show you some close-up shots so you can really see this beautiful bum bag. It has a ton of storage space and this is really a popular choice. So if you're interested, go grab this bag. And then the strap is really durable and obviously adjustable. So if you want it looser, tighter, you can do that. And then it has a inside pocket too. And I thought that was great for added security. If you want to put a passport in here or something of value, maybe your credit cards right here. That's the inside of the bag. It has a little handle on the top and there's multiple variations of the bum bag. They have different colors, different sizes, and even different like styles where it's a different like shape and everything. I think they have a smaller one. And so let me open this up for you. so you can really see the inside. I think I can get a ton of stuff in there. It's bigger than I thought it would be, like once it arrived in person. So you can easily fit your phone, keys, wallet, baby toys, wipes, everything you need in there. And like I said, have to be hands-free nowadays. So I am thrilled with this bum bag. It is so much fun, and I know I'm just going to get so much use out of it. And this little chain reminds me of like the 2000s. I'm in love with it. Ah. So overall, 10 out of 10 for this bag. It is stunning. It is the classic LV print. And yeah, my husband literally wants one. Like, he's so excited about like these like cross body dad bags or bum bags. And they're really cute too. It kind of like adds to your outfit, and especially for travel. I'm going to be traveling eventually, and I think this would be like my go-to airport bag, no doubt. So yes, definitely check them out. Code Angela15 for 15% off, and check out their accessories too. They also have jewelry and chains, and man, like look at how adorable that is. In love. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one. Bye.